Hello everyone friends, on the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to schedule a message in WhatsApp on Android. You've probably already noticed that WhatsApp doesn't have this feature on Android. So let's go to the Play Store and download the Schedit app. Let's open it. Press the plus sign, then tap WhatsApp. Here you'll need to agree to all the terms and conditions. Make sure everything is enabled, just like I have here. So that's how it works, yes. Next, click Select Contact in WhatsApp. Find the contact you need and it'll take you back to the previous screen. Now type your message here. If you need to attach something, select when you want to send it and send accordingly. That's all there is to it. This was Velour with you. Goodbye everyone.